Hey guys, MaryAnn here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and tonight I have something special for you. It is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz SL 550 Sport, and it's finished in a stunning stormy red with a natural beige leather, or premium leather actually for this vehicle, interior. And you can see we do have the multi-function steering wheel with your leather grain, your leather and your wood grain throughout, along with the beautiful wood grain throughout the car as well. You do have your air scarves, your ventilated seats, heated seats, and the beautiful Mercedes-Benz sill here. We do have memory 1, 2, and 3 for this vehicle, and like I said, with the multi-contour seats, you do have the pulsated seats and the slightly massaging seats as well. This is equipped with your AMG wheels, your 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz AMG wheels, which are actually stunning, along with your big Mercedes-Benz brake calipers. You have your xenon headlights here in the front and such a sporty grille. And anytime you see the Mercedes-Benz emblem in the front of your vehicle, you know that it is a sport vehicle, and that is definitely what this vehicle is. It is a 5.5 liter V8 engine, and it produces about 382 horsepower. So I think you can get from point A to point B in this car, if you ask me. But I always say in these SLs, they're timeless. They're lovely. This is a hard to find color. This stormy red color is sort of a, I would say a maroon or burgundy, and not a lot of vehicles come in those colors anymore. So that's one of these special things about it, is you stand out from everybody else, and you can see everything is pristine basically throughout, including the fact that you do have the windscreen right here. A lot of times whenever you have a used vehicle, they are missing, and it is with this vehicle. Also, this car has 36,000 miles on it, so very low mileage, and this is a perfect garage queen. And here you have your dual exhaust and your parking sensors, and I'm just gonna open it just by a push of the button. It opens up for us, so it's your automatic opening trunk here, along with you have your panoramic roof. Plenty of space here in the trunk, so if you need to go to the grocery store or whatever it is, you need a golf. Some golf bags do actually fit in the back of here if you have a smaller one, and if you have too big of a golf club, they can always go in the back. Just put that top down, and then you just load it up and you pull this back down, and both sides have to latch, and you press this button and it goes down for you. So it's very simple, but also luxurious, as we all know. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you guys the top operation as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle up for you guys. We do have a keyless entry and a keyless go, so foot on the brake and you push the button, and there you go, just like that. And then right here is the top operation on these SLs. A lot of people have no idea how to put the top up and down in this vehicle. You just push down right here. This is going to go up for you automatically, and we're going to still have that nice sunlight that comes in to this vehicle even when the top is up, with that panoramic roof. And you do also have a privacy or sunshade as well with that panoramic roof. Which I'm going to show you that real quick. It's right here. So you can see the privacy shade or sunshade, however you guys want to specify it, is right there and convenient for you, and you can even stop it halfway. And then I'm going to put the top back down so we can drive with it open, and you just push up on this little lever. So actually, if you do halfway, if you notice halfway, nothing happens. This is going to be your roll bar in the back, but if you just pull a little bit further and you hold it, the top operation will work itself and open up for you. And you can see that it is in operation and going down the way it should. All right, so the top operation is complete, And you can see that we have 36,906 miles on the odometer there. And so like I said, less than 37,000 miles. To only have 36,906 miles on a 2011 SL550 is fantastic. And I'm just gonna hand this over and get us into drive to show you guys how awesome it rides. We do have a navigation option, so should you need it, or if you just like to have that on the command center for you, then that is available. You do have Bluetooth options, your radio options. I did mention already your heated and ventilated seats. It's a non-smoking vehicle, 100%. I have all faith in that. And I'm just gonna roll these windows up a little bit. So I have a little bit of windscreen. And there we go. All right, and I mentioned earlier the premium leather throughout and this leather wrapped and wood grain multifunction steering wheel. It's so comfortable to touch and hold. You feel like you're definitely in control of the vehicle. The suspension is very tight, and you have the option of your sport. Right here is going to be your sport, comfort, or manual mode. In fact, I was with a girlfriend today and she said, oh, I thought that was status mode. She had no idea. So the C is for comfort, the S is for sport, and the M is for manual. If you ever have it in the M mode, you use your paddle shifters usually in these vehicles. You can also use down here with the control here, but also you have your paddle shifting options, and that's usually what you're going to use whenever you have it in manual mode. That's when you're going to want to be real sporty and exciting. You also have your voice control, so you can say frequency 100.1 and it will actually go to that station for you. Here's your nifty cup holders. A lot of people don't even know what that is.
Which functions do you want help?
Sorry, we pressed
Save
that.
Station.
However, these are your cup holders. This is for the driver and this is for the passenger. And so there's plenty of hidden features throughout the vehicle. Like I said before, just showing you the top operation. You can see where the roll bar is, and a lot of people don't know that that is where it's located. And here's your mirrors with the covers that are properly on them. A lot of times, as I always say, those are missing in these vehicles, and with this one particularly is not. So I'm going to pump the pedal.
Oh man.
Just like that.
Well, that's easy.
Yeah, it's a little too fast for my location, but you know, sometimes you just have to do it. But I did mention we do have the air scarves as well, which your button for that is over here. So of course you're always about comfortability whenever it comes to Mercedes-Benz. So if this is an interest of you guys, this is a perfect condo car, a perfect summer car if you guys are up north, or if you just want to drive this around during season in the south, give us a call. It's 239-263-8500, and on the web you can find us at autohausnaples.com. And please subscribe, share, and we're also on other social media platforms, and you can find us at Autohaus Naples. And I will see you guys on the next one.